Today's video brings crucial updates for all Pandabuy users and some good news. Discord mod called Fiona made 1 hour ago an announcement that Pandabuy warehouse workers are expected to back to work on 18th April, so in 2 days from now. When a random Discord user asked Fiona if our warehouse items are safe, user Fiona answered back saying, "We'll know it when they back." Currently, you cannot initiate new transactions, such as recharging or making payments for orders. Can you still withdraw your funds from Pandabuy? On a positive note, withdrawals are still possible. I successfully made a withdrawal yesterday, and it worked, so in case you want to withdraw your funds from Pandabuy, you can do that. What to do if your items are already shipped? For those with items already shipped, your parcels should continue to arrive as expected, as in-transit items are not impacted by these issues. However, if your items are still in the warehouse or awaiting processing, please be patient. Pandabuy advises against making new orders or cancellations at this time and suggests waiting for further updates when they will resume normal operations, including signing, inspection, packaging, and shipping. It's essential to stay informed through official Pandabuy communications during this period. We will keep you posted on any further developments. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll respond as soon as we can. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this information is helpful.